found your wallet.
Oh, there's a little basket right here.
Open it up.
Oh my god, thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for everything you have done for us, Randy. Look at me cry. Thank you.
Going to the Ring doorbell. Oh, there's a little basket right here. I'm gonna put a little thing in the basket. I found a card near my house, and it's right here. So, there you go.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
Dr. Wallet, that's the parking center, 832.
That's not me, though.
That's you?
Oh my god, that's my daughter.
Yeah, I was at Smith Parking Center, and I was like,
Oh my
so
god.
I don't know if she lost it, all her cards in there.
Oh, whoa. That ain't gonna never hurt nobody's little You doing laundry?
No.
Oh, okay. Let me put this over here out the way. Alright, well, good to see you. God bless you as always, darling. You're looking good, like that hair. You got it down. I gotta work on mine. See you later, darling. Bye-bye.
I love you. You're beautiful. You are one of the most awesome and amazing human beings I've ever had the pleasure of knowing. I love you so much.
Hello?
We found your wallet.
Oh, you found my wallet? That's my son. I'm across the street up right there. Thank you, buddy. Hey, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm going to get this back to the call right now. You spent over 3 days on that point there. Get it back in the water. Get away from the door.